In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup and restore your email, contacts, and calendar with Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're preparing for a potential data loss or just want to ensure everything is safe and sound, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to secure your important information. Let's start with your emails. Firstly, to back up your emails, begin by opening Microsoft Outlook and navigate to the folder that contains the email you want to save, such as your inbox. Once you've located and opened the specific email, you'll notice 3 dots in the top right corner of the email window. Click on these dots to reveal additional options. From these options, select Print. A print preview will open, and here's a handy tip. Instead of printing the email physically, you can choose to save as PDF. This is particularly useful for smaller sets of emails. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can forward the email to another backup account you have, ensuring another layer of security for your important communications. Moving on to your contacts, click on the People icon within the Outlook web interface. Once you're there, look to the top of the screen for a section labeled Manage Contacts. Click here and then select the option to export contacts. Outlook will prompt you to save a CSV file. This is a common format for saving and importing contacts, allowing you to easily access or transfer them to other applications or devices if needed. Make sure to store this .csv file in a safe location where you can retrieve it whenever necessary. Now, let's cover your calendar. For this, head back to Outlook and click on the gear icon located in the top right corner, which will take you to the settings. From there, navigate to Calendar and then click on Shared Calendars. Under the section titled Publish a Calendar, you'll be able to choose the specific calendar you want to back up. Once you've selected your calendar, you'll have the option to export it as an ICS file. An ICS file can be easily imported into most calendar applications, making it an extremely versatile format. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully backed up your emails, contacts, and calendar, granting you peace of mind, knowing your information is preserved. Remember, regular backups are a good habit to develop, not just to protect against data loss, but also to ease transitions between devices or email accounts. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. Happy backing up!